Welcome to SketchUp for Schools. Today you're going to learn about the tape measure tool. So let's get started. Let's create a new template. Save our file immediately. Locate where you want to save your file. And we're going to name this with our name and tape measure tool. Click save here. All right. So let's begin by drawing a rectangle. Let's just draw it on the blue axis to make it easy. And we're going to then go locate the tape measure tool. It is the third button up from the bottom. And by default, it's usually here, but I can see that we have the dimension tool. So let's click the window and select the tape measure tool. Okay, there are a couple of different functions that you can use for the tape measure tool. You can use it to actually measure a distance. And without clicking it, it'll show you how far it is to that location from where you begin. If you need to get out, hit escape. So if I click here and I want to measure this side quick like, it'll tell me the distance. Escape. Also, you can use it for drawing temporary lines to draw on. So let's do that. So I want to draw a line down the middle here. So I'm going to click the side of my rectangle. See, it says on edge. We want to make sure that it says that. Click one time. And since we're on this plane, it will draw a temporary line, which you can notice by the dashed lines wherever we want it to be. So I'll click. Let's do one up from up here. Now, something you have to be careful about. If you click the middle, the midpoint, and it gets a blue dot, if you click there, sometimes it will not give you the tape measure line that goes on to infinity. So you can see it goes all the way down. Sometimes it won't do that, so just be careful of that. All right. So if we want to be exactly in the middle, we go along, find the midpoint, and click. We can also do that over here. Go along over here, find the midpoint, and click. And as I was saying, we can use that to temporarily draw a location. If you grab the eraser tool, click and hold it, go all the way around your guidelines, and now they're gone. Use the eraser tool and click that. You can delete it. If we need to delete all of our guidelines in here on the right side, you can go over here to the windows over here, and it looks like a pair of glasses right here. It's called display. If you click that, there's a button down here that says delete all guides. They will all disappear at one time.